Today we're going kayaking on the Credit River. We're bringing Franco for his first time, so it should be really exciting. Woo! We have 2 kayaks in here right now, and there's the other one. There's Eric.
Okay, so we've just about unloaded the car and have reached our loading into spot. So let's go, boys. Take it away.
I'm ready. Okay. So we're at the river right now. We're launching the kayaks. It's very muddy here, but pretty excited to get started. Here's Franco, ready to go.
First time vlogger. This is the Credit River. We're enjoying a nice Sunday afternoon. There's Robert in the blue, Caitlin in the red.
Look what we found. There's a chair. Someone might just come and chill here. The things you find in this river are just very surprising. Look at this. Anyone want to go for lunch?
Me.
Picnic table. So we're approaching a period of some rapids, and I think that's the only way we can actually get through. So it's gonna be interesting. Oh! Paddle hard on that side. Keep paddling. Keep paddling. Oh, shit. Oh, damn it. There's a tree. I tried to videotape them when I got stuck in a tree. Look at this. There's tree branches everywhere.
What time is it, Kate?
We approach the end. We're gonna be getting out right up over there. This is hard.
Hey guys, so our canoeing or kayaking trip just came to an end. Taking our boats out of the water under this pretty steep thing over here.
Final thoughts?
Yeah.
What?
We need more rapids.
10K.
We need more rapids.
Or we need to go down further,
Doesn't
down
like the
by closer to Lake Ontario.
Yeah, so
Final-
water.
I
So
have no
next
final thoughts.
next time we're gonna go launch from Streetsville area down to kind of Port Credit. Supposed to be some good rapids there, so we'll see how that goes.
Final thoughts. This is my kayak with a hole here and some, like what? Some more holes here. So I would like to switch to one of these next time because my ass is soaked. Great.
So we made it back. Look who's here to greet us. Sammy says if you like our video, subscribe. Wallet and keys are soaked.
Take it the back.
Clearly, waterproof container is not waterproof.
Ziploc bags work.
Yeah, Ziploc bags next
Ziploc
time.
bags work great.
Unbelievable.